Welcome back to the video, guys. Today I'm in the Nissan Pathfinder and we're going to show you how to connect your phone to Bluetooth here. So maybe you just got your vehicle or you bought a pre-owned one and the salesperson didn't show you how to connect your phone. If you're having trouble, here's a quick tutorial, but it's really easy to connect here. I have an Android phone, but your Apple phones are gonna work the same way. So you can either hit the phone button or you can go to the connections button right on your home screen. So you're just gonna go to connections and see here's all the phones I have connected, but I wanna hit add new because that's what we're doing today. And then I'm gonna open my phone up and I'm gonna go to the Bluetooth settings on my phone. Once I go into my Bluetooth settings, here I'm gonna go to pair new device on my phone. Yours might also say scan or anything like that. And it's gonna pop up here. There it says My Pathfinder right on my phone. I'm gonna hit that. And then it's gonna ask me if I want to share my contacts here. So normally you would wanna allow access so it has your contacts synced. But for privacy purposes of this video, I'm not gonna do that. But now you see my phone is connected here. So here it's gonna ask me to okay the permissions. I'm gonna hit allow on my phone and then just hit okay. So here you can see my phone is connected, and because it's orange, that means I'm connected for voice and music. If you don't wanna be connected for one of those, let's say you have two phones connected and you want one to play music and you want one to be your calling, you can just deselect what you want connected and what you don't want connected. So that's pretty much the phone. Now when I go to my home menu and I hit phone, here you can see I can make my calls or I can use the voice commands to make calls. So I just hit this and you would say call John Smith or call work or call home, and as long as they're saved in your phone, it's going to make calls. You can also ask it to read your most recent text message or send a text. You can dial and shout out the number at it. There's all different ways you can use the voice commands, and that's really the easiest way to make calls. When someone calls you, you'll hear the speakers, the phone will ring through the speakers, and you can either press the talk or the decline button, or you can just press it right on the screen here. So that's a quick 1-minute tutorial of how to connect your phone and use the Bluetooth in the Nissan Pathfinder. If you guys have questions or need help, just comment in the comment section below. We did a full walk around of this whole entertainment system, showing you how to save presets on your audio, connect your phone to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, how to use the GPS navigation. I'm gonna link that in the description below for you guys to check out. And if we've helped you here, just subscribe to Cars Unlocked, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.